संसार विषवृक्षस्य द्वीपले हि अमृतोपमे सुभाषित रसास्वादः संगतिः सुजनैः सह. This is a beautiful quote from our Sanskrit literature. Now let us understand, what does that mean? It means in this world which is filled with poison or a bitterness, there are two sweet words, sweet fruits. Which are they? Number one, these kind of the subhashita, the good words or the good quotations, what we read, we listen every day, that is one of the sweetest fruit in this world. Number two is the association of good or noble people. That gives us so much of strength. I'm sure you agree with that, right? Every day when we interact with so many interesting people who are achievers, we would have read so many things, but when you interact and listen to the person directly, it hits us much more and probably it pushes us towards action than just a theory. This has helped me a lot, these two practices. I learned this as I was in a school child, but even today it is so fresh in my mind, and to practice it's easier every day. Now, this leads me to the current concept, what we all talk about, networking. Network is equal to net worth is the today's mantra of the world. Everyone talks about it. Any management guru you mention, everyone says it's important to have a good network because we work in the global environment today, no more in the small pockets of our own cities or villages. So it is even more important to widen our network. And while we are doing this, it's also important to measure the quality of network. It's just not to have how many friends do I have on Facebook or LinkedIn. At the same time, do I have access to them? Do I know them? Do they know me? Can I just pick up the call and talk to them? That is where the quality of network can be measured. Number second point to remember in the quality, what am I doing now? In the sense, what is my current project in hand? And then look at my networking to see if this network can help me to reach my goal, to achieve my project, what I am currently working on. That is where we measure the quality. This networking skills, if we can slowly develop, that can take us anywhere through the world. It has personally helped me. Just imagine an ordinary person like me could not even dream of meeting a president of a country, right? But I could do that. In fact, I was so fortunate, I had even 20 minutes of time from an ex-president who is well known in the country and in the world. I'm sure all of you have heard of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. And I could get 20 minutes time with him as an interaction, personal one-to-one interaction. All this could happen only through my networking. So friends, the message is very clear. Keep interacting with people even before judging what's in it for me, but keep developing the network, and that will take us places because network is equal to net worth.